Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're taking a look at and installing a Clearlidz front hardtop panel for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL or the 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. The Clearlidz panels are a totally unique, totally transparent replacement for your factory Freedom panels that are going to give you an unobstructed view from the sky while still giving you protection from the sun's harmful UV rays, protection from the elements when those occasional storms pop up, and protection from unexpected items that may fall from above. Definitely important if you're ever wheeling down a tightly wooded trail. Clearlidz proudly manufactures their panels right here in the USA from a super tough, durable, and flexible polycarbonate material. In fact, this is the same type of material that is used to construct fighter jet canopies, so you know it's going to be strong. Not only is it strong, it's extremely lightweight as well, weighing in at just 23 pounds. That means your install is going to be super easy for you to tackle in just a few minutes. In fact, this is what you're going to get right out of the box from Clearlidz. We've got the panel with all the attachment points already pre-installed. We're going to have 2 door surround foam pieces that get set into place and 4 thumb screws. Now, to start your install, of course, the first step we have to do is go ahead and remove those factory Freedom panels. You'll want to set them aside somewhere safe, like a Freedom panel storage bag. At that point, we can go ahead and set each of the foam door surrounds in place on top of the sport bar. They are clearly marked driver's side and passenger side. And then go ahead and grab your Clearlidz panel. Now, because this panel is so lightweight, this should be a pretty easy task for yourself. But if you do need a hand, grab a friend to help set the panel in place on top of your Jeep. Get each one of those 4 thumb screws started, 2 per side over top of the driver's side and passenger side doors. Once they're in place, the last step is to go ahead and close down each one of the latches. You can see it takes just minutes to get your Clearlidz front hardtop panel installed. Now, I could tell you about all the great features right here in the shop, but why don't we head outside and see what this thing's all about? So now that we're outside, it is immediately clear just how cool the Clearlidz hardtop replacement panel can be. It gives you that great, totally unobstructed view of the sky, an awesome benefit on those nice sunny summertime days without the hassle of taking off your Freedom panels and having to store them away. And it means you can cruise around with the windows up and the AC on those very hot days with that amazing view at the same time. And we also get a number of great benefits over a more traditional bimini style top or even a sunshade style top. Because the Clearlidz panel has UV inhibitors built right in, means it's going to block out the sun's harmful UV rays. It's going to keep your interior protected, your skin protected as well, and it's going to keep the interior of your Jeep a bit cooler on those extremely warm days as well. It also only allows 60% of visible light through, so it's like cruising around with a pair of sunglasses on. Now, when the weather changes, you don't have to take the Clearlidz panel off and reinstall your Freedom panels because it's totally weatherproof for you as well. So you're still going to get those awesome views of the sky even during those showers, which could be a pretty cool view. Now, when the seasons change and it gets cold, again, you don't have to change anything out. You can leave that Clearlidz panel in place through the winter, through all the different seasons. And as I mentioned earlier, the panel is constructed proudly right here in the USA from a super tough and durable polycarbonate material that's going to be very strong and impact resistant. So not only do we not have to worry about any bird droppings on those nice days, but we don't have to worry about anything else. Hail or maybe a falling branch while we're off-road, you don't have to worry about any of that stuff with the Clearlidz panel installed on your Jeep. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a Clearlidz CL300 front hardtop replacement panel for your 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL or 20 newer Jeep Gladiator JT, you can click the info button to head over to quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the panel or how to get it installed, you can always leave those for me down in the comments section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.